Hey everyone, Brendan from DroneUp here. Look, I get it. Overflight of people waivers are difficult. Difficult enough to get one approved and more difficult still to comply with it. There's even plenty of misconceptions about whether you need one at all. So let's break it down. Here are the 4 things you need to know if you're planning to fly over people. Number 1, you need a waiver. There's a lot of misconceptions here. 10739 indicates that unless waived, a drone cannot be flown over anyone who is not directly participating in the operation of that drone. Here's a good litmus test. Think of an individual you want to fly over and ask yourself, if this person wasn't there, could the drone still be flown safely? If the answer is yes, they're not a direct participant and cannot be flown over without a waiver. A perfect example would be a construction contractor on a construction site. They might be participating in the construction work, but they're not a participant in the drone flight itself. Number 2, you need the right equipment. A key component of getting approved for a 10739 waiver is having an equipment mitigation. Much like an airbag in your car, this is the physical method of ensuring your drone can't hurt anyone in a failure condition. The best way to achieve this is with an ASTM-compliant ballistic parachute system designed for your specific make and model drone. Like an airbag, these parachutes are designed to auto-deploy in the event of an accident or a failure and have to meet rigorous reliability testing to be acceptable to the FAA. Number 3, get ready to show your work. 10739 waiver submissions are among the most scrutinized by the FAA of any Part 107 waiver. Remember, you're introducing additional risk if you're flying directly over people, and the FAA needs you to prove that you can do it safely. 10739 waiver submissions can easily exceed 200 pages and require you to demonstrate procedural mitigations like a safety management system, operational risk management procedures, and training for your specific operations and specific system. Number 4, your work isn't over once you're approved. Once you're approved, you'll need to train and qualify your flight crews on the procedures described in your waiver application and maintain detailed flight records for the duration of your waiver. You'll also need to follow certain mandatory equipment service procedures to make sure the parachute is in good working order. At the end of the day, getting approved for overflight of people is a lot of work, but it's not impossible. Being approved for overflight of people will position your business for success. As of today, there are only about 100 10739 waivers out there in the marketplace. Having the ability to operate a drone under individuals or crowds is a game changer for drone programs in industries like construction, infrastructure inspections, events marketing, insurance assessments, and more. DroneUp can help you with every step of the process to get you flying over people safely, legally, and quickly. Check out the link below if you'd like to learn more and fly safe.